अब न बनी तो न बनेगी, अब न बनी तो न बनेगी, अब न बनी तो फिर न बनेगी, अब न बनी तो न बनेगी। अरे अब न बनी तो, अब न बनी तो फिर न बनेगी, अब न बनी तो न बनेगी। ठाट पड़ा, अरे ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब, चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब। ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब, चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब। अब न बनी तो फिर न बनेगी, अब न बनी तो न बनेगी। ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब, चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब। So this is a typical, I'm sure many of you can feel what I'm singing without understanding the meaning. Like you can smell the fragrance of a flower many times without having to know its meaning, the name. The name is not important. The experience of the perfume is important. I. So you can feel the pathos or the sorrow, or you can feel the udasinta in this. There was an udasinta which was created as matured souls who were tired and fed up of their toys in the world and wanted the real thing. So when you want the real thing, then he says, अब न बनी तो फिर न बनेगी. So it's just simple. He says if you can't make it now, then you're not going to make it any other time. So it's best to try now. No matter how little it is, make the effort for God now. अब न बनी तो न बनेगी, अब न बनी. So he says, if you can't make it now, you'll never make it in future. अब न बनी तो फिर न बनेगी, अब न बनी तो न बनेगी. In short, it means if you can't make it now, you'll never make it in future. In short, it means let not precious moments slip by. Seek now the ultimate truth. ठाट पड़ा रहे. Actually, I've joined two different verses from two different things. There was a yogi mendicant who used to come singing by our door when I was very young, and this thing seared through my heart, and has left a deep impression in my heart. And he just used to sing, अरे ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब, चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब. ठाट पड़ा. So he says, all your show and glamour will remain as it is. Whether it be the Sheikh of Brunei or whether it be Onassis, when the time comes to go, the Hamsa swan, the bird will fly out of the body cage and leave the body like a dead piece of clay. And all your Rolls Royce and wealth and honor and name and fame will just merge into the dust, will lie as it is. Even greater people than the Onassis and the Kennedys, people like Alexander the Great, came naked into the world and naked they must go. ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब. Not leaving diamonds and koh-i-noors, but Alexander and people like Genghis Khan left empires. They were not able to finalize or do what they had come to do. ठाट पड़ा. Everything will be left as it is. All your glamour and splendor will come to naught if you don't seek God now. ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब, चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब. Banjara is not exactly a vagabond. Banjara is a free roamer with free respect. Now, Babaji is in the dress of the Banjara. Means he who roams from city to city. You see, the birds of the tree, the birds of the air and the fowls have their place to rest, but the Son of Man hath not a place to lay his head. This is the true yogic meaning. That is taken exactly, where that verse is taken from the yogis of India. He is a wanderer, a roamer. He is not of this land. He belongs to the land where there is no life or death. Are hum paradesi bades bhai, hum paradesi bades bhai. So, ठाट पड़ा रह जाएगा सब. So renounce everything. This is the renunciate. He's renounced the tinsel wealth of the world to seek God. Chal padega Banjara means the wanderer, the mendicant is symbolized as your soul. When your soul leaves the body, it's only a body of clay. So if you can't make it now, you'll never make it. Do it now. Because all your wealth and everything will lie as waste when the soul leaves the body. So enjoy it, all your wealth, but do not be attached to it. And in any case, whether you're attached to it or not, all these things keep attaching themselves to you. So there's no need to attach. चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब ठाट पड़ा. Now, I had a desire for mother of pearl knives and forks, the fish knife and the forks. So Meera and Goncha and all the people from London made this effort and they got this for me, which is an impossible thing that's not available anywhere because I've tried. In Italy they had one, I went and it was just sold. So there's only two places I could try, which was Italy and London. These are the two places. And I got it there, but I got a big one. Then in London I got the other one also, the big one.
Yeah, that's Emma and all there.
Yeah. So the whole set is there. That's the set of this. So this desire is there. It was an innocent desire. Now what to do? That is just going to remain as it is. You use it a bit, fulfill that desire and move on. Give it to posterity. So we don't get attached to these things. I was wondering why I did say that. I said it in a light vein, but the disciples were so determined to show them what London is and what you can get in England, which you can't get anywhere in the world. So that's the thing. So these are innocent desires. You desire something, it's better to fulfill it, be done with it and move on. They are very innocent. But the desires which are the lust for life and this thing, those desires have to be regularly shunned and warded off. And your intensity for God must be increased by talking of God, by living in God, by loving God, by having satsangs of God, by breathing Him in and out of your being. जाएगा सब चल पड़ेगा बंजारा जब. So the Banjara, the divine Banjara is in front of us. The great Mahayogi who set the example to the world with his begging bowl and the chimita. They have the staff, it's the chimita.
मैं देह नहीं नश्वर नासी, मैं अलख निरंजन अविनाशी, मैं अलख निरंजन अविनाशी. हाड़ मास के देह को भूअर्पण कर मैं हंसा गगन